Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Now moving on to our next topic, which is dividing mixed numbers. Okay, so first thing, let's recall three. We have three types of fractions. The first one, when the numerator is smaller than the denominator, we call it a proper fraction. When the numerator is larger than the denominator, we call it improper fraction. And when we have a whole and a proper fraction together, it's called a mixed fraction or a mixed number. Okay, guys? So now here you can watch this recording. It's a nice tutorial video about how to divide mixed numbers, but you will find only the way she simplified in the video is different than the way I taught you. She's reducing the fractions before she's multiplying. For us, we multiply and then we simplify. So if you feel comfortable using the same way that you saw in the video, please go ahead and do it. Now I'm going to show you how we guys do it, how I taught you in the class to do it. So we have here a real life application about dividing mixed numbers. We have a children's rights organization is distributing educational booklets to schools. They have 10.5 boxes of booklets. Each school will be receiving 1 3/4 of a box. So what they're asking us to find is how many schools can receive the booklets. Okay, so I have 10.5 boxes. I need to divide by 1 3/4 because I'm planning to know how many schools, how many booklets will each school exactly receive. Okay, it should be, I'm dividing here. How do I know it's division? Because you're sharing the booklets equally. Okay, we're sharing them equally. Each school must receive the same number of booklets. So let's start with 10.5 divided by 1 3/4. Now let's apply the first step. The first step, everyone, whenever you see a mixed number, please make sure you change it into a fraction. Convert the mixed number into improper fraction. How we do this? We will simply recycle, we will multiply and add, call it whatever you want. So remember these two easy steps: multiply and add, multiply and add. We only do this if we see a mixed number. Okay, so let's start. 2 times 10, that will be 20. 20 plus 2, 20 plus 1, sorry, that will be 21. And the denominator stays the same. Then I'm going to bring my division sign down. I will not change it yet. 4 times 1, 4 plus 3, that will be 7. And the denominator stays the same. So step number 1, I'm done with it. I converted my mixed numbers into fractions using 2 easy steps: multiply and add. And remember, the denominator stays the same. Now step number 2, I'm going to apply KCF. So the easiest way to apply KCF, guys, is write it under it. Write it beneath it. KCF. This way you will keep your work more organized and you won't be confused what to keep, what to change, what to flip. So just write it like this way. So I'm going to start the first one. I'm going to keep it 21 over 2. Then change division into multiplication and then flip the 7/4. It's going to be 4 over 7. Okay, so I'm done with my second step. Now step number 3, I'm going to multiply. So we all know how to multiply two fractions. You just multiply the numerators, top times top, and then you multiply the denominators, bottom times bottom. So we have 21 times 4. We're going to go on the side if you don't know the answer directly like me. So, no, I'm joking, I know. I'm just showing you how to multiply. So we will be multiplying 4 times 1, that will be 4. And then 4 times 2, that will be 8. So our product will be 84. Okay, and 2 times 7, we don't need to do that. We all know it's 14. And now, last step, we're going to simplify. Okay, guys, how do we simplify? Since we got an improper fraction, the easiest way is to use long division, or you just can skip count by 14. So, how many groups of 14 can I have? Do I have an 84? So, you can, guys, write the timetable of 14. 1, 2, 3, you write it 14, 28, 42. Skip counting until you get the answer. Oh no, the whole work is gone. Okay, it's okay. Let's redo it again. It's okay. So we got 10 and a half divided by 1 3/4. We just did this. It's going to be 21 over 2 divided by 7 over 4. We're going to do KCF. Okay, so 21 over 2 multiplied by 4 over 7. That will be 84 divided by 14. So guys, when you skip count by 14, the answer will be 6 booklets. So each school will be receiving 6 boxes of 6 booklets. Each school will be receiving 6 booklets, inshallah. Okay, so that's it. Just apply the same steps and believe me, you will be getting your correct answers. Now, let's move on to the second slide. Here we have different cases. As you can see, we're going to be applying the same steps. Step number 1, I will change the first number 16. I don't touch it because it's a whole number. I'm going to keep it the same. Okay, divide stays the same. Now, I will, guys, recycle the mixed number. I'm going to change it into an improper fraction. 2 easy steps, multiply and add. So 3 times 2, that will be 6. 6 plus 2, that's 8 over 3. And I'm done. Okay, sometimes, dear students, you don't need to change the mixed numbers. You'll be lucky to have whole numbers or normal fractions because they don't require much work from you. Okay, we only change the mixed number. Now I'm going to apply KCF. Like I said, write it beneath it. So the first one stays. Then I'm going to change division into multiplication. And then I'm going to flip. 8 over 3 will be 3/8. And now let's multiply. This is the same as 16 over 1. Okay, so 16 multiplied by 3, the answer will be, you can multiply it on the side. So the answer will be 48. 1 times 8, the answer will be 8. And now let's simplify this. We all know 48 is a multiple of 8. 8 times what will give us 48? The answer will be 6. Okay, guys? So that's it for the first question. Okay, let's move on now to the next one. We're going to apply the same steps. So here, I've got myself a mixed number. What do you do when you see a mixed number? We're going to change it into a fraction. 2 easy steps, multiply and add. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5, that will be 21. And the denominator stays the same. Then divide, bring down the division sign, bring down the 13. Now, here is something you guys, let's apply the steps now. We're going to do KCF. So the first one, it's a keep. I'm going to keep it. 21 over 8. Division, I'll change it to multiplication. Now, how do I flip the 13? Okay, guys, if you want to write 13 as a fraction, if you want to write any whole number as a fraction, you just, for example, 3, how do I write it as a fraction? I just divide it by 1. Okay, why? Because the 3 divided by 1 will give me the same answer, which is 3. Any number divided by 1 will be equal to that whole number. So, always if you have a whole number, just divide it by 1. Now we're going to flip it. So that will be 1 over 13. So, 21 times 1, that's a 21. 8 times 13, that will be, you want to do it on the side, you can. It will be 104. And here, we've got nothing in common for these two numbers. There is no number that they can both be divided with. So we can say our answer is in simplest form. Guys, most of the time, if you get a proper fraction, you know, when the numerator is smaller than the denominator, you can consider yourself done. Okay? So you're done. Now let's move on to last question. I'm gonna apply the same steps. The first number 1 divided by, I got here a mixed number. I'll change it into a fraction. So 9 times 8, that's 72. 72 plus 5, that will be 77. And the denominator stays the same. Okay? Now we're going to apply KCF. So the first number will stay. Then I'm going to change division into multiplication. Flip the 77 ninths. That will be 9 over 77. And lastly, I'm going to multiply 1 times 9. That will be equal to 9 over 77. And that's it, guys. Okay?